Another fund is the Women Enterprise Fund. So we set aside again 2 billion pesos for the Women Enterprise Fund. Women in business, women na gusto magnegosyo, at women-led na business. No? So meron silang 2.5 billion pesos. And ini-encourage kasi ng ating Pangulo is to have a double income in a family. Importante din po ang double income. Bakit? Better education, better quality of life. And ngayon, may extra money na po sila, let's say, to go out, to eat out. So natutulungan din po, in the process, natutulungan din po natin yung mga indirect industries, the restaurants, the retailers. So,
Yes, in the process.
Yes, in the process of the
nakakatulong,
extra income.
Oo.
And makikita talaga, or based even on statistics, no, ang laki ng contribution ng women sa negosyo. In fact, madami tayong negosyo na nag-umpisa sa mga kababaihan and then lumago and lumaki. So we have set aside 2 billion pesos for this. And for at this time, no, 394, I mean last Wednesday, kasi Wednesday yung cut-off namin, 394 na po ang nag-apply, and this is a total of 183 million pesos. So we encourage now the women to please take advantage of this loan. So they can go to sbcorp.gov.ph. Again, up to 5 million, no collateral, and then 1 year, no payment of principal and interest. So meron po kayong 1 year para makausad yung negosyo. Marami pong businesses of women na naging malaki. So let's take advantage of this opportunity.
Yung